Several of you have been complaining that you're not finding our products. So I'm thinking of creating a box, like a box that has most of the goodies all in one, and you can get them right delivered from our website to you. So first of all, the pulling oil, which also includes the tongue scraper inside, would go into this box. I'm filling this box. And second would be the concentrated oil. This one bottle equals 10 16-ounce bottles. The third would be the whitening strips, and these are worth 7 days. These have hydrogen peroxide, and these are good and less sensitive than regular whitening strips, but you're better off using the oil pulling with it. Then the gum, butter on gum super soft toothbrush that we've been talking about. A 6-pack of them in 6 different colors. We have a 2-pack of kids product with, again, super soft bristles. Then 20 of the interdental soft picks, kind of picks that would gently go between your teeth and help floss. We also have the interdentals, a 4-pack, and a 60 count of double threaded floss pick. All of this would be for $39.99. What do you think of this? I'm thinking of making this box and calling it Guru Nanda TikTok Dental Box.